Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechLearn 3.0. Today in this video we are going to see how to create our own custom theme pack in Windows 10. Okay, first we have to download the necessary images and keep it in the inside a folder like this. Download the images you want and copy it all into a folder like this. Then use your right click and click on personalize. Here, click on the background option and then select slideshow. And then here, click browse. And then select the folder in which your photos are there. Choose this folder. And then scroll down. Here you can change the time period between each pictures. And then go to themes. And then click save theme. And give a name for your theme. Now you can see your custom theme pack here. Okay guys, thank you. If you have any doubt, put it in the comments.